Hi, lovebirds and awesome singers. Valentine is almost here. But why wait? Tonight on Jenny's Kitchen, we are making spaghetti that is colorful as your crush's taste and as hot as your favorite romantic scene. Whether it's a cozy dinner for two or a solo movie night with all the romance you can handle, I have got a recipe that will make your heart sing. Let's cook some love.
Every night I wait. Paradise, paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what, I bet that we could see it new. I wanna let you go, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can't say that we're only friends. But I can't say that we're only friends. I just want you under the lights. I just want you when it's my time. I just want you breaking my stride. I just want you. I wanna let you go, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can't say that we're only friends. But I can't say that we're only friends. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can't say that we're only friends.
And just like that, love is served, hot, colorful, and made to steal hearts. Whether you're sharing this with someone special or treating your fabulous self, Every bite is a little taste of romance. If this recipe made you smile, show your girl some love. Hit the like button, drop a sweet comment below, and share this deliciousness with someone who need a little flavor in their life. Until next time, keep cooking, keep glowing, keep spreading the love. This is Jenny's Kitchen.